Hi everyone. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through how Vainu and HubSpot integration works. Vainu is a global company database with more than 74 million companies. Users can, of course, create lists. They can easily identify their ideal customer profile. We have lots of different filters. You can search companies in certain locations and lots of details. Regarding locations, now in this example search, I wanted to find companies that are using HubSpot that have lots of web traffic, meaning that they are among top 1 million websites worldwide based on traffic. And then I wanted to focus on specific industry vertical called SaaS. I didn't use company size or website keywords, and I got 5,617 results. Let's look at the integration next. So Vainu connects very nicely with HubSpot. We use company domain, company website. Domain is a unique key, and that's of course one of the properties you most likely or most of the users have in their HubSpot. So that's why the match rate is very high, often very close to 100%. In our data mapping, you can easily pick and choose the destination for each Vainu data point. And we actually do this automatically. So for example, our industry vertical data, which is called Vainu Custom Industry, when you connect, we automatically create that multi-select pick list property for your HubSpot. So you don't often have to really do anything. But if you want to change the settings, you can do it in the data mapping tab. And then you can decide if you want to do automatic updates or one-time updates. And we, of course, also allow people to select if they want to always overwrite existing information or if they want us to update the information only if there's no value in that specific property. You can also, when you have a search, in this case, SaaS companies using HubSpot, top 1 million traffic, you can create lots of opportunities at the same time. So I could mass export these companies to my HubSpot. You could also assign them to certain AEs or SDRs. We first, of course, check duplicates. So if any of these domains and companies already exist in HubSpot, we don't create a new record, but we can still enrich those existing records and also label them that they're part of this campaign. And then the new ones would be added into your HubSpot and would assign them to those individuals that you select here. We could also create a deal note or a task at the same time, so you can really steer the process in HubSpot. And then on the HubSpot side, how it looks is that then you have really good information on a company level. So now you can see lots of companies, these SaaS companies using HubSpot top 1 million traffic. That's the name of the campaign. It's one of the properties for all these companies. And if you look at, for example, Plecto, engagement SaaS, gamification SaaS. So if you only rely on existing industry information, you would know that it's a computer software business. But with our information, you know that it's B2B SaaS, gamification, and in the area of employee engagement and human resources. And of course, you can bring the other data points, employee count, web traffic, more location information descriptions, and very specific web technographics data as well. But that's how it works in detail. More than 74 million companies that we have. You can keep your existing HubSpot data up to date and also create new companies at scale. If we very quickly also look at one example company, if we click open up this Open Bravo, you can see that all the information lives in your HubSpot, so you can use them as filters, and you can, of course, very quickly provide a great overview for salespeople what this company is all about. And on the right-hand side, you'll see one upcoming feature, which is called Similar Companies. It's still in beta, and this example includes mock data, but people can also see global lookalikes very easily by using Vainu. This Similar Companies CRM card will be released at the end of April. But that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick overview, and we're happy to help with any questions you might have.